What's going on, everybody? This is Joe Genta here, representing Team Take Profits. We're here to help you trade and get paid. In this video, I'm going to show you what IML Academy is all about. I'm going to kind of walk you through what it is that IML Academy is. You've signed up for IML, and so now it's time to get educated. It's time to get into this education and learn how to trade. IML Forex Academy is that education that we have. So it is important that you plug in. Let me just encourage you, before we actually get into it, that you actually do the education. Don't come in just looking for signals. Don't come in just looking to take shortcuts, but take your time, go through each video, take notes. If you got to watch them again, that's okay. You're going to hear a statement in there: I am a student always, and you should always do that. Remain a student. Continue watching these videos. I have personally been through the IML Academy numerous times. So I want to encourage you to do the same thing. Don't just watch it just to watch it, but watch it to learn, watch it to be able to go through the videos and absorb the information that you get. Once you get through this, you're gonna have everything at your disposal, everything you need, all the education and knowledge you need to be a really solid Forex trader. I'll see you on the video. So when you're ready to get into IML Academy and start your training, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to iMarketsLive.com. It's going to bring you to this page. You're going to log in, and it's going to bring you to your back office. When you see these little three dots, or these little three lines right here, you're going to click on them. And mine might look a little different because I'm an IBO, but yours is going to, if you're a customer, you're going to find where it says IML Forex Academy. And if you click on that, it's going to bring you to the Academy. And so this is the section of your back office where you're going to do your training. Now you can do this on a laptop, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on the corporate app, you can do it on an iPad, whatever is the best way to do it for you. But here's what it's broken down into sections: IML Academy Basics 1 to 4. Now, when you go through your setup, guys, this is the most important thing that you're going to find. Everything, when you go down here into the advanced videos, everything comes back to basics. If you don't, I know a lot of people want to skip, and they say they want to get into these, patterns, and they want to get into listen, here's the thing, guys. You ain't even going to know what to do with those patterns if you don't know the basics. It is very, very important. I can't stress enough how much you need these basics. When you want to be a good trader, you need the basics of Forex. So what they do is IML Academy Basic 1 to 4. It's going to go through the history of Forex, market participants, what is Forex, what is traded in the Forex market. And when you click on this little drop down, it's going to go through all of the rest of the videos right here. So you're going to learn everything from market participants, like, in other words, who trades Forex, like what is a buy and a sell, what is a pip, what are pips, what is a trend, price action, which that's a video you absolutely need, support and resistance, pullbacks. So when you see us talking in the chats, in the Facebook group or in the Discord chats, you're going to hear us talking about pullbacks. You're going to hear us talking about it, trend lines and counter trend lines. You're going to hear us talking about price action. You're going to hear us talking about quarter points. But you're not going to know what any of that stuff is if you don't go through the basics. So I want to encourage you, please go through the basics: your trading window, pending orders, stop loss. Listen, stop loss. Your stop loss is your best friend, okay? You better know how to use a stop loss. 3 types of analysis, how to draw these things on the chart. Your trading plan is going to help you go through and develop your trading plan. How to develop a confirmation checklist and how to develop that for you. Now it's going to help you use the harmonic scanner. It's going to help you develop risk management. Notice how there's 2 videos for that because it's that important. How to enter a trade, whether you're an iPhone or an Android. And so basically, notice how the last video on the basics is how to enter a trade. Because really, without these basics, you shouldn't be entering trades, right? You shouldn't be trying to get in and out of trades without understanding what the rest of this stuff is. Now, when you look at it, though, most of these videos are only just a few minutes long. 11 minutes. 11 minutes. So you're talking about 24 videos at in the average of around 10 to 15 minutes a piece. So you're talking about committing a few hours to learning the basics. Now you can do that all at one time, or you can do that over the course of, you know, whatever your schedule is. But nonetheless, do not rob yourself of going through the basics. Do not rob yourself of a proper Forex education. You're investing your hard-earned money into this market to make money. You're not doing this just to play a video game and press buttons. You're investing your hard-earned money into this market, so make sure you know what you're doing. Once you get through the basics, take notes too, guys. But once you get through the basics, you're going to go into the intermediate section. It's going to show you crosses. It's going to show you harmonic patterns. It's going to show you Elliott wave, pivots, Bollinger Bands. Now suddenly you're going to start learning how to do some of the indicators and things like that, price bars. So notice how these indicators and stuff didn't come until after you knew the basics. Because without knowing the trend, without knowing how to understand support and resistance, Bollinger Bands aren't going to do anything for you. So, you know, intermediate videos are going to take you through trends, time zones, how to set up your MT4 chart, brokers, and then really, this is an incredible video, how to trade large gaps in Forex. So really, you're going to learn some swing trading in that video. You're going to see IML Academy advanced videos, which is a lot of theory, and it's going to be a lot of patterns. You're going to learn a lot of market geometry, okay? And so you're going to learn Fibonacci. You're going to learn triangle patterns. You're going to learn risk management. You're going to learn a lot of different things like that in the advanced section. Now, you got mindset videos. This is very important. Don't feel like, well, my mindset's already right. I don't need this. Yes, you need this, because you need to define what kind of a trader you are. Everybody can trade, but if you try to trade my style of trading, but that doesn't work for you, and then you say Forex didn't work. No. The way you tried to do Forex didn't work. You need to develop what kind of a trader are you? Are you a scalper? Are you a long-term trader, a swing trader? Are you a day trader? You know, what kind of a trader are you? And that's going to help you with this mindset section. And then, of course, those who need Spanish, we have the IML Academy, the whole entire thing right there in Spanish. So that's your little walkthrough through IML Academy. That's how you're going to get your education. And between that and the other tools that you have, IML TV, the live trading sessions, and then the in-team trading sessions, we're going to help you to become a very profitable trader. Our leaders, we want to make six-figure traders. So let's get it. Let's get through these videos. If you have any questions, ask us in the chats, and don't skip over these videos, though, guys. IML Academy is an amazing Forex education. I'll see you on the other side.